you would like to know how to make these basic meringues, then please continue to watch the video. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. Hello and welcome back to Simon's Baking Isolation Inspiration, where we don't take ourselves too seriously and we have fun while we bake. Now, as you know, today we are making basic meringues, so let's crack on with the ingredients. So, meringues, quite simple, just 2 ingredients: caster sugar and egg whites. I got these egg whites from a previous ice cream video, which I'll leave a tag somewhere, which you can go check it out. In there I show you how to separate the egg yolk from the whites. Now I know what you're going to say. Simon, how much caster sugar do you need? Simon, how much egg whites do you need? Well, listen up peeps, I'm about to explain some stuff to you. The usual recipe, you would require 4 egg whites and 250 grams of caster sugar, but I got 7 egg whites from my ice cream video, and I have got 520 grams of caster sugar. Now, good rule of thumb is weigh your egg whites. If you've got 100 grams, double it for the sugar. So if you've got 100 grams of egg whites, you need 200 grams of sugar. Bosh, first take. Next vital bit of equipment that we're going to need is one of these, or an electric hand whisk.
Electric? I thought electric whisks were for cheats.
Babe, for making meringue, it is impossible to whisk it by hand. If I was, in the end, my hands would be doing this, wouldn't they? You're so floppy. Right, my little petit pois, before we start, get your mum and dad, or whoever, to give the bowl and the whisk a nice clean. You want to make sure that it's got no grease or any stuff on it. Let's crack on. Get your egg whites and whop them straight in. Now you can start off slow for a few minutes and then go fast, and at the end of the day you want to see nice, fluffy, foamy consistency. Now keep going on a slow speed for a couple of minutes just till it starts to whisk together, and then whop it up high and get it really going. That way you'll get nice foamy peaks. Now this is what you're looking for. You see how it holds its peak just there? And on the end of the whisk? Now it's the bit all the diabetics love. It's time to go in with the sugar. So what I'm going to do is put it on maximum speed and spoon in a teaspoon at a time until that is all gone into there. Easy as that. There we go. The sugar is all incorporated into that egg white mixture. And the way you can tell it's perfect, if you lift the whisk up, it holds its peak. Perfect. Now another way to tell whether this is done is if you get a hold of it and pop it above your head, and hopefully none of it falls out. Ta-da! Now, we're going to do 2 different types of meringues for you at home today. And the reason for that is we've got absolutely loads of meringue. So you're in for a treat. Now to start with, I'm going to show you how to fill up a piping bag. So what you want to do is get your nozzle of choice in your piping bag or a sandwich bag, whatever, and just cut it so that fits in and pop it into a pint glass and just fold over the edges. Next, get your spatula with your meringue mixture and just spoon it straight in. And you want to do that until it's full up. Push it down. And there we have it. Ready to use. Now here's a little trick for you at home. With your meringue, just pop a little dab in the corners. And this will help stick your paper down. Ta-da! You can pipe anything you want. You can even write your name. Who cares? But I am going to show you my piping skills today, and I'm going to do some nice meringue nests and some nice meringue kisses. So let's delve in. To do nests, you start off in the middle, you pipe and you just swirl it around. Just like that. Then bring it back over the top. And when you're finished, push down and lift up. Look at that. Beautiful. That's the meringue nest. Now I'm going to show you how to do cute little kisses. That's what you do. Put your piping bag, squeeze the load out, and lift up. Squeeze the load out, and lift up. Oh, that one went a bit crazy, but it doesn't matter. Squeeze a bit out, lift up. Squeeze a bit out, lift up. Have a look at them bad boys. Join me over at the oven. I have got my oven set to 1/2 degree gas mark or 120 degrees Celsius. Now, as you can see, I went a little bit crazy on the piping. I haven't piped in quite a while, and I thought, well, why not? So anyway, let's get them in. Now the trick to meringues is low and slow. So I'm going to leave these on for an hour and a half, or until they're ready. And while that's cooking, I have got absolutely loads left. So I'm going to make something that you normally find in like a bakery. I'm going to make some big old meringue splodges. So get your leftover meringue and just get a massive wad of it and pop it straight on. Easy as that. Now I'm going to try something a little differently. I'm going to make some chocolate meringues. So I've got some cocoa powder. Just grab just a small amount and just sprinkle it in. That's all you need. With your meringue, just give it a little stir up. Just round and round. Don't mix it, because I think it looks quite cool with like just a few chocolate swirls in it. And that is perfect. And straight on. So there we go. I've got some plain splodges and some chocolate splodges. They don't look very pretty, but then again, neither do I. Everyone loves ugly. Right, here we go. Now the temperature is exactly the same for these, 120 degrees or gas mark 1/2. Now these are going to take a little bit longer, but I'm going to check them after an hour, so whop them straight in. Better give this a taste test, seeing as it's already in the oven. God, it's so good. Why do we have to cook it?
It's all in your moustache.
Is it? Better?
Yeah.
Wicked. Time has just gone off, so let's get our boxing glove on, ish, and have a look at these ones. And there we go. Now the way to tell if they're done is if you lift them off the baking sheet and they come away cleanly, that's how you know they're done. Now what they'll stop them cracking, what you do is you turn the oven off and you pop them back in. And you leave them in the oven to cool down until they're nicely cool. There we have it. Easy meringues. These are the chocolate ones. They taste really good. It took about 2 hours to bake, but personally, I quite like the look of these ones. I like the little kisses. So let's give one of these a little taste. So simple, so easy. Be perfect in an eating mess. They're crunchy on the outside and gooey and soft in the middle. Just how I like them. Perfection. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my videos. If you like what you see and you want to subscribe, click my face right here. And while you're at it, click here to see all my other videos. Thank you very much. Peace out.